Why won't you believe me?
The razor blade was on the shower floor next to you. Okay, I saw it. There was no one else there.